What's up people, continuing working on the E92 today. Well, it's pretty damn close to perfect. I'm happy with it. Gonna move on. What happens when you leave masking tape on for too long? I decided to do some painting. So I'm just working through painting some stuff, finishing off what I started last night. Finally getting the spoiler attached. So the first obvious question is regarding this lip. Do we leave it as is with the lip, or do I take it off? So it's more of a pain in the ass, but personally I think it looks kind of crap with the lip. I swear to God if this takes paint off.
And like it feels very personal in a way that it's definitely not like
Well, I had to sand that off, unfortunately, which means I'm gonna need to polish it up, which is a pain in the ass, but I'll do that later when I do all the paint work and stuff. Let's have a look inside here and see how hard the holes are gonna be to drill. Well, that clearly needs to come off. So I'm just trying to get it lined up, making sure everything's good before I drill any holes. So one of these I just drilled all the way through. The other one is like behind this and tucked up in under there. And we have a completed spoiler.
Wow, that's for sure.
Alright, this is really starting to look like something. Okay, so that's that. I'm pretty happy with how it looks. So now I'm going to clear up the bottom of the bumper and do some diffuser fins. And that should wrap up the bodywork. So it's already got the Remus exhaust. So I got all the fins in. I'm just going to do 2 plates for the sides to match the end caps to the outside exhaust fins, and that's going to be it. Getting everything ready for paint. First off, I need to make sure all the bolts I have fit in the holes for the kit, because they've got quite a wide head. Some of these still need to be sanded. Thought I was done with this sanding business, but there's still a little bit more to do, like probably 1 or 2 more passes on the kit just to get it absolutely perfect. So I want to get the underbody, all the components, suspension and control arms painted now. I've weirdly done like half of it and I still need to do the other half. Making progress, got the underbody done on the front, just got one side left on the rear to do, and getting the front splitter painted. Still have to do the diffuser down here, paint that, clean that up, get all the edges looking nice, and I want to get the wheels painted today as well. Take the guards off now for their final pass and then paint them. So I spent a whole bunch of time sanding everything and we're good to go. So mixing the paint and I'm gonna start spraying. that's the base coat down. So I've got the painting more or less done, so I'm going to put the kit on for now. Just slowly putting it together, making sure everything lines up. Really glad to have the paint sorted on the spoiler. It took a few attempts to get that right. But yeah, it's come out pretty well. The gloss, how it matches the black of the wheels now is perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. That's pretty much it on the paint after that. Then I'll be moving on to decals and details. And there we have it, finally painted. So I'm really happy to have that done. That took forever, way more effort than I thought it would be. Now I'm going to move on to doing the decals and other details, and then it's just tuning and it's done.